Stop romanticizing personal brand. Let me brutally honest. If you're posting consistently, writing long emotional captions, sharing your morning routine, in 2026, you are already outdated. Because in 2026, personal brands are not built by hustle. They are built by AI clarity.
Hey, क्या रे? ऐसे क्या घूर रहा है? दूं क्या?
And systems.
तुम लोग कितने कमजोर दिल वाले होते हो, अपने ही साए से डरने वाले।
And before you roll your eyes and say कि मार्केट बहुत सैचुरेट है कृति, क्या करें? रिलैक्स, मार्केट सैचुरेट नहीं है, एवरेज कंटेंट है और यही इस वीडियो का पॉइंट है बेसिकली। तो ये अनकंफर्टेबल ट्रूथ है जो आपको कोई नहीं बताता। एआई बहुत सारे पर्सनल ब्रांड्स को किल कर रहा है और वो लेजी पर्सनल ब्रांड्स को किल कर रहा है, ना कि एक रॉक सॉलिड ऑर्गेनिक स्टोरी टेलिंग वाले को। द वंस हु पोस्ट रैंडम हुक्स, हु कॉपी अदर्स and who talk very generic. In 2026, content should be strategic, opinionated and outcome driven. और अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो algorithm will treat you like a background noise. I have built my personal brand on LinkedIn, Instagram and YouTube, and by not posting more, by posting strategically, posting smarter, grow inbound leads from my content, build authority without saying look at me, look at me, look at me, using AI really without sounding robotic. And trust me, if AI has to replace anyone, I would be the one. But instead of replaced, I have got my voice multiplied. 2026 में कंटेंट चीप है, पोजीशनिंग एक्सपेंसिव है। तो स्मार्ट क्रिएटर्स एआई को कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं? तो आपको ये नहीं पूछना है गिव मी 30 कंटेंट आइडियाज, आपको पूछना है व्हाट आर द पेन पॉइंट्स माय क्लाइंट इज गोइंग थ्रू, what are the storytelling aspects I can use and give your context about your intro, what opinions I can tell in my niche. AI helps you extract patterns from your experience and can multiply in your content. This is where most people mess up. They create one tone for LinkedIn, one for Instagram and one for YouTube, and as a result there is no recall value, no authority at all. Personal brands are like startups in 2026. One core belief system, one clear enemy and one clear promise. So AI can repurpose and can, if I give a context, like yesterday only there was an experience when a bicycle owner came to our home and delivered a cycle to my husband. He has opened a recent startup and he told me something about like how he's using AI to be visible on social media because he don't have much time. But if he has a lot of time, obviously he will invest in people and good work. So I made a whole context. I give it to ChatGPT and I tell it to write me a Substack newsletter, LinkedIn post, Instagram reel, and all I have from ChatGPT. So you have to give a good prompt and context to ChatGPT or any AI tool you're using. If your AI writes everything, people can read that. People will scroll. Smart AI creators use AI for research to turn conversations into content. Rewrite the raw thoughts into sharp hooks. Identify what to say boldly, not politely. Your job in 2026, think, decide and take a stand. And AI's job is to structure, position and scale. Let me say this clearly. Pretty reels without opinions is equal to zero revenue. What works instead? Clear POVs, call to actions and providing good free lead magnets. So AI helps you remove stress from your idea. They can clearly figure out what will convert and what will not. So they will tell you brutal on your face. So this is basically how I have used AI for my Instagram. I've just made a whole video on Instagram growth. If you are someone who has very low followers or looking to grow on Instagram organically that brings leads and clients, you can go and watch here. Personal brand in 2026 is not about going viral. It is about building community. Community that not only trust you but can even vouch for you if like someone else talking about you. They can refer you. So it's like more than just one person. Your content basically is the answer of all the sales objections which your client, which your prospect might have before the call. AI helps you map FAQs, buying decisions, triggers. So your content does the same, not your description. Now the biggest mistake is that they use AI to sound like everyone. And like I understand FOMO and all, But you have to understand that you need to create a unique voice. For me, it's very blunt, very honest. All of my if like I have a Substack newsletter now, so the name of it is Moody Founder Diaries, because I'm a very moody person. If I like something, I will post on it. If I don't like it, I won't post of it. If I don't feel, I don't get good energy, good vibes, I won't work. If I feel like creative, if I feel like over the top, I'll work like more. So I'm a very moody person, so I have put the name as per my personality, Moody Founder Diaries, right? So whatever you're doing, bring in your, a pinch of tadka, like who you are, honestly. And if you don't know who you are, I can recommend one thing, which is read your astrology or numerology, like your birth date or birth year. What is the numerology you have? What are the planets prefer you? What kind of a pattern you have? Like, I'm a very emotional person, I'm a very moody person. I can even lash out on some moments out of my mood, and this is because I'm a third born, like I have a third number numerology. We are very empathic and we have this Jupiter energy with us, so we are kind of very blessed and we are very good mentors and all. So this to like explain me like how I'm a person, so I should reflect that in my content also, and that's how I will not sound unique. So yeah, that's it for video. Go and subscribe me on YouTube. I will bring more amazing content in 2026. I've already decided to post 2 videos a week, so let's hope for it. But do subscribe my channel.